the Broad Street Run, the last day of April, 2023. More people were running earlier, but it's the people who are behind running. There are more down the street, as you can see, all the way down the street. Going just running from North Philadelphia to South Philadelphia. They're trying to reach the Navy base, or the naval base. That's about, what, 10 miles away, I think? Yeah, look at it, damp, cold wind, see the tree? Cold wind, and it's raining, see the puddle? Cold wind, and it's raining. I don't know if you've seen the rain. Am I catching the rain? It's cold. And they're running down Broad Street, as they do each year about this time. Can you see the rain? Yeah, I think you can see the. I'm showing the rain coming down. See the rain? They're fighting against the elements. More people coming down. They're running down Broad Street from north all the way this way to south. And they go all the way from here to south. As you can see, the direction of the run is south. There's more running. As you can see far away, over there, more people coming. Oh, it's raining. It's getting harder and harder. Let me see if I can show you down here. It's raining harder and harder. More and more, the rain's coming down. See the rain? There's the rain. Coming down faster and harder. See there? That person over there is covering their head, his head. Yeah, it's raining. I don't know if you can catch it on the street. Can you catch it? In the middle of the street? The rain is coming down harder and harder, and these people are running. These runners are running against the elements. There's the rain. See it? Oh, that rain coming down. Cold, windy. Sunday. The last day of April, 2023, the run. I think that's the last one. I'm not sure. I think it's more coming down. More running far away over there, coming towards us. But it's raining. They're running against the rain, the wind. Ooh, look at that rain. See it? Look at that rain. They're running for cars, and the cars, if you're strong, if you're brave, and like to reach your goals, you'll run through anything. Look at that. Look at that rain. Getting wet. More runners coming down. The tail end of the run. More behind them, over there in the back. And that's it for now. I have to get inside because I'm getting wet. Look at that. Look at that rain. See it? Pouring. Cold wind. Look at the tree. Okay, the trees is blowing. The canvas is blowing, and it's still running because They have a goal to reach. Some of them are walking, some of them are running, but they have a goal to reach. There you go. All the runners. All right. Over now. Have a good day. Bye-bye.